On August 23, 2025, local residents called about their truck door being left open near Toledo, Ohio. Walbridge Police Department officer Michael Irvin arrived, but when they reported him for staggering and slurring his words, they realized the officer himself was the real problem. Minutes after he left the scene, Michael was pulled over by his fellow co-workers.
So, here's the thing. They think you may be drinking. I could smell alcohol on you. So we can't let you drive the car. Chief's on his way in. We'll check you out, alright?
Alright.
So, as you were walking up, you were staggering a little bit.
I got a leg injury.
Huh?
I got a leg injury.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, we got called over here. They said you're stumbling, slurring your speech, so our sergeant wants some medics to come check you out. That's what we're waiting on right now.
Is that? No. Because obviously, either you're having a medical issue or possibly you've been drinking. And either way, can't be driving a car right now, right? You know that.
What's going on? Homeowners called in. They think he's intoxicated, so we're making sure it's not intoxication. If it's intoxication or it's a medical issue.
Okay.
They said he has a leg injury, so.
Okay, where's he at? I'm here. Okay.
So we were on a call and dispatch had us call. These homeowners requested their house to be checked because there was some sort of an open door. He came out. I guess he was stumbling, slurring his speech, was in the house for 20 minutes, came out, stood in the middle of the road just staring at him. So they called dispatch back and said, I think he's intoxicated. So we flew over here. He said he has a leg injury, that's what he told us.
My first contact with him, I could smell
the
alcohol.
booze. Yeah.
Okay, it's pretty strong.
You guys don't have a PBT on him, do you?
Northwood is supposedly now. They might have one, but yeah, you can smell the booze. And then I was on the phone with Schmidlin because I called him. I'm like, hey, I'm letting you know about this. He was, I don't know what you two were talking about, but he darted back off and got in the car, and we had to stop him from
He
pulling
was
off.
telling me he checked the house, everything's okay, and then he hopped in the car, so.
You guys have body cams, right?
Correct.
Because I don't have anything on
Yeah,
me.
yeah,
Can we go talk to the homeowners?
We're rolling, and we talked to the homeowners, and that's what they told. That's the first thing they told us when we got here. Because he was talking to the wife, we talked to the husband.
What's going on, boss? Hey, you got a question for you. You don't have PBTs, do you?
What's that?
Do you have any PBTs?
We might have one at the station. I don't have one on me.
Can you say it again, what you just told me? Because I don't have a body cam.
No, you're fine. But he's not active. He's just slow in his talking, which is not correct. And his pupils are dilated. We're getting the rest of his vitals. He doesn't want to go to the hospital. He just said that his calf is sore. But just the way he's responding, he's definitely slower than normal. This is not. So we're getting the rest of his vitals.
Okay.
He's answering everything appropriately for us.
You guys called down to handle for conflict of interest reasons?
We were called, and then they said you guys were en route too. So
Yeah, we were told to come back you guys up. Is Walbridge handling their own issue here? Yeah, okay. We're just here for...
Moral support, more or less.
Got it.
Yeah, because I was on a call running plates, and they're telling us to call in urgently. So he had called.
Okay. It said his eyes were dilated.
Yeah, you could smell the booze on him.
Can you?
And he's not making direct contact with us when
Yeah,
he's
you can
talking.
tell. Yeah.
Because I think he's just trying to...
I'm going to go at... You guys didn't have a PBT on you? No. I'm going to assume.
The one time I got with, but then he switched how he was talking and was saying a whole lot. Blood sugar's 102. So...
Is that good or bad?
Yeah, that's good. That's, so it's not a We're gonna, she has the paper for him to, because he doesn't want to go to the hospital, he goes back with that, so holding headshot, and I'll have everything documented in our narrative too, so
Okay.
everything that we saw. So
Good then? We good?
I was gonna say we had everything.
Okay. All right.
You guys are done with us right now.
All right, Mike, we're going to go back to the station, all right? Hop in the passenger seat.
And I'll follow him up to the PD and be right back.
Okay.
His personal.
Okay. Hummer said we're good to get out of here for Schmidlin. Since Bob's got control of him now.
Doesn't do anything stupid at the station.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
Officer Michael Irvin was fired from the Walbridge Police Department just 2 days after this incident. Tests later revealed his blood alcohol level was more than twice the legal limit, and he's now facing multiple criminal charges, including OVI, disorderly conduct, and having a weapon while intoxicated. Irvin also has a history. Records show he resigned from Toledo Police after 3 separate alcohol-related incidents. His next court date is scheduled for September 29, 2025. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to support my new channel. It helps me keep covering cases just like this one.